this video, we will see how the operator truncated to works. Now, I have a task list which is displaying the description of the task, and it's displaying the entire description which I don't want it to display. Instead, I only want the first few characters of the description here to be displayed and the rest of it to be cut off. To achieve this, we will use the operator truncated to, which will shorten this text to a specified character length that we specify from the beginning. Now we will go to our editor, and in a task description, next to it, we will apply the operator truncated to, and we will specify the exact number of characters length that we want it to display and to cut off the rest. So let's say we want the first 30 characters. So what we have now is a parent group's description truncated to 30. So this will truncate the entire description from the start to the first 30 characters, and it will only show us the first 30 characters of the description in a list. Now we'll go back to a page and see how this works. Now what we can see is we are only able to see the first 30 characters of the description, and the rest of the description has been cut off. So this is how the truncated to operator works. It truncates the text string that you provided from the beginning to the specified character length that you want it to. So in our case, we only get the first 30 characters here, and the rest of it is not visible or has been cut off in the display. So this is how the truncated to operator works. To learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.